my dear students, this is the chapter 7. Can you see the pattern? Okay, here we have to learn pattern. Already you have the idea. Already I said the video which one is a pattern and which one is a rotational symmetry. Okay, so here we have to learn the patterns. Isa, your skirt is beautiful. See over here how nice. Okay, my mother made this pattern. Who made this? My mother made this pattern. You can see over here, one up, one down, up, here up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, I have seen the same block making a different pattern on kurta. How was it different? Okay, so this is the pattern of skirt. Up, down, okay. In your skirt, the rule of the pattern is one up and one down. Yes or not? And then this is repeated. One up, down, again up, down. So it is a repeated. So it's make a pattern over here, okay. But in my brother's kurta, it is once up and then it take 1/4 turn every time. Okay, so what is the 1/4 turn, students? So here I didn't have anything, just I have the over here eraser. Okay, so this one is eraser. Suppose I am drawing over here. This way. Pattern. Okay, so just observe this one pattern, bigger one triangle. Okay, these pattern just observe, students. So this is the my original position. After the 1/4 means we have to move 1/4 only. Suppose it is a circle, whole circle, 1/4 I am here, so I have to move till here because 1/4 is a half of the half. So here it is half, then I have to move this much. Okay, it 1/4 turn. What is the 1/4 turn? See over here, then 1/4 is this. Clear? So what is the pattern come? This one. See over here. Yes or not? Narrow part is right side. Then again 1/4. Again 1/4. So this one is a half turn down. Again 1/4 like this. Again 1/4, then its original position. Okay, so after the 4 turn, 1 2 3 and 4, after the 4 turn it comes in again original position. Then after repeated 1/4, half, again 1/4 it means 3/4, and then 4/4 it means whole, then again come into same position. So this is the 1/4. So it known as a rotational symmetry, rotation. This is, then rotate, again rotate, again rotate, and again rotate. Clear? Okay, so 1/4 turn every time. The rule is to repeat it with a 1/4 clockwise turn. Clock means like this way, not like this way. Okay, clockwise, this one, and from left side it is anti-clockwise. Okay, so we have to move clockwise, right side. Now you use these two rule to make this pattern with this one block. So you have to make this pattern with the block. See students, what you have to do, if you are not able to find out easily, you have to draw this much shape in any paper and then cut it from it and then decide. This is the original position, 1/4. Then these leaves will here and green one is here. Okay, like this way I will find. Then again 1/4, this one leaves are here and this one down. Again 1/4, then leaves are here. Okay, I am doing randomly, and this is the green part, and this one red. Clear? Again 1/4, then its current position. Clear? So this way you have to find out with the 1/4 one, and then with one up and down. Up then down, it's very easy. Half turn it means opposite, down. Clear students? To try to do by yourself and make also your own rule. You can make your own rule also. Okay, this one is up and down, this one is a 1/4, but you can make your own rule. If you want to move anti-clockwise, if you want to turn half, it's depend on you. Now here turn the pattern. Look at this block. This one block is given. We make 3 different rules to turn it clockwise and see the pattern. Okay, 3 patterns are given. First one is a 1/4 turn. Same over here. What we did. Okay. Suppose it is like this way. Okay. So same position, then 1/4. Now you understand what is the 1/4. Here again 1/4. Here again 1/4. Here you can see, then 1/4 original position. Okay, then after repeat again 1/4. Then next is this. Then next is this. Clear? Another pattern is half turn. So this is the original position. Now we have to half. So 1 and 1/4. This one is a half. Yes, suppose this one is a circle. So half means I am here and now I have to move to here only. Okay, so this is a 1/4 and then direct half, again half, again half. Understood? Okay. Now repeat with the 3/4 turn. Repeat with the 3/4. 3/4 means this is the original. 1/4, half, ne 3/4. So here. Okay. Again 1/4, half, 3/4. Clear? Again 1/4, half, 3/4. Yes or not? Again 1/4, then half, then 3/4. Understood? So this way you have to do. Now practice time. What comes next? So how you have to do, students? You have to do like this way, students. If you feel this is your homework, okay? If you feel difficult, draw the circle in one paper. Make over here these and these. Color over here red and yellow here. Then after cut from it, make it original position. Then after like this way, then after like this way, then after like again this way up. Red is this side and yellow is this side. Okay, so you have to try to do by yourself. It is a very easy and interesting thing. Here cut and in one paper and then move and then find the next one. This is your homework. C and D, same way you have to find. Now see the pattern F. First is standing, then slanting, then slipping, then one is a left slanting, one is a right slanting. Then next what will come, you have to find over here. What will come? Like this way F will come. You have to check and write your answer. Okay, so the rule of pattern is turning the 45 each time. Which will be the next pattern? Which will be the next? Yes, this one. Which one? This one. Okay, this is standing and doing like this one. Clear, students? So this way you have to complete the pattern. Some patterns are given below on the left side of the red line. For each we have to make the pattern. So this is your work. L, same like this way, students. L is like F, this one slant, then over here it is like this way slip. Okay, then after you have to complete this one also you have to complete. Next is like this. Okay, then complete by yourself, very easy. Thank you.